Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Monday again, so let's look at Bitcoin on weekly chart. Morning, Catalin. Morning, Shogun. Morning, Pip. Morning, Christian. Bukur. Well, we had an interesting weekend, so let's see how the weekly candle closed. And then we'll go on daily, and maybe we'll plan, at least we'll wait some levels. Hey Andre, hey BJ. Okay, repost that tweet if you want to help us out to reach more people. And let's start. Hey Thomas. Okay, so really nice close on weekly. That doesn't mean we'll go straight to the moon, but at least we proved the point. In ADK, market doesn't want to stay there. Doesn't want to stay at $80,000. And weekly close is showing us, you can see we closed at 94. And the week managed to reach 78. That's an ugly rejection. I saw a rejection until now, I could call this is an ugly one. Yeah? Market doesn't want to stay there. Now, if we look at Bitcoin on CME and we put the daily chart, well, here you see more details. It's more fancy, even more interesting. Why? Well, we have the gap, and we discussed max pain here. What will be max pain for the people here? Everyone was waiting for the gap to be closed. Max pain means, well, we'll not close the gap and we'll push higher. Well, what we did, we closed the gap above. Look at it. So we closed yesterday or in the morning, in the opening of CME, we closed this gap here. So this is closed, we have this one below. Now we created a new gap here, bigger than this one. Let's clone this plane and put it here. No? It's big enough. And now we have a gap here. When we'll fill this gap? People expecting that the gap to be filled in a couple of minutes. Well, couple of days. Not the case. 1 second, please. So we don't know. We know that gaps have a statistical probability of 90+% to be closed. But when? We don't know. We can close it today? Of course we can, but let's see what will happen. Overall, people, if you see I have this level here and I have this blue area. This blue area is for the range. Yeah? If we lose this level, that means we are out from the range and we'll push back down. We closed strongly in the range again. So now I'm expecting 90k, 89,500, 90k to be support again. So it's important again to watch this level. You can see market overreacted from 78 to 96 and now is consolidating. We had a retracement the last couple of hours, which is normal. I said yesterday in the weekly crypto review, don't chase the market because it's not a good idea. Some of you listen, some of you FOMO'd in. Some of you that they learned from us, they shorted the top. Well, I'm not a big fan of shorting, but if you are a scalper, if you are fast enough, if you know what you are doing, well, okay, why not? I saw Manas in the morning saying, well, small risk, but I shorted that area because it was pretty obvious. Nice job. Yeah. He's in VIP. I don't know if he has more than 2 months, but he learned some stuff. He perfected his skills, and now he's a bit better than he was 2 months ago. And he will be a bit better 2 months from now. and making money in the same time, because on VIP you get complete ideas. Day in, day out, you get idea after idea, and you can choose what you want to play, and you can make some money. By the way, it's open. The registration is open until the end of this week, or 2 days more, or until we reach 50 people. Last time I checked, we had more than 40 people in VIP for next month already. So DM Stefan if you want a place. I don't know. Stefan will tell you more details. We have room for more people or not, but you have to DM him and ask him. And first, Stefan has to see if you are able to participate in VIP. If you are a complete beginner, well, not too many things we can do for you. We can teach you how to trade first and then let you in VIP. So, nice development here. Max Payne here. Close the gap above. Nobody was expecting this. As I was saying a couple of days ago, well, if they all turn around, Max Payne and will close this gap first and then we'll go. But I wasn't expecting until today the gap to be closed. I was expecting a slow pushing higher. Here, Max Payne for the people that waited lower. Looking at what we have now, it's possible for us in the next couple of months to push back in the long reload zone? Yeah. Why? Well, move up, range, EM top, dead cat bounce. We can still consider this one technically dead cat bounce. This is a shorting opportunity in that case, and we can bleed all the way down in 70 area. So it's important to see what will happen in this week, next week, and so on. If you'll see yams forming here, or market never managing to hold above 90 again, if you'll accept below 90k and will close below, then well, with all the bullish news, Bitcoin will push here. Don't think insiders didn't know already what is happening. You see on Twitter that some people knew exactly and took big advantages of the market. Unfortunately, people, here on Crypto Traders Arena, we don't have insiders information from Trump. So we have to base our trades on technical analysis, plans, setups, and we are making money. But no insider information. We don't know when Trump will say something. Okay? Now, that's Bitcoin on CME. Looks interesting. At least it's not boring anymore. If you remember this range here, everyone, well, what we should do here? Was profitable for us. I cannot complain, but was boring. Well, now it's not boring anymore. Okay, now, what I should look next? Ethereum? Well, Ethereum is here, but that's it. We had a bounce like in everything else. Yes, a few of these levels, pretty important. Look at 1, 2, 3. Important level. And the news just helped a little bit Ethereum to bounce from this level, but nothing more than that. I don't see daily Ws. I don't see anything bullish. Could reverse. I saw that Vitalik did some changes over the weekend. If they'll start performing, if they'll start saying, doing stuff, maybe. It's a bit late. Looks like, I said it multiple times, looks like Vitalik doesn't want Ethereum to pump now. I don't know why, but looks like it. Either doesn't care, either wants Ethereum below 3,000, below $4,000. So, give me a daily W here, and I'll be more than happy to think really bullish about Ethereum. No W, you can see. We have an area, we can consider this range, and we can think long here. But give me a W. Give me at least a 4-hour W. Well, we have that. So it's a start. We have something to work on. Okay? So, look at this. Nice W, probably with some bullish divergence here. not quite. It's an old one here, but it's old. It's all the way from 1 month ago. Too old for my taste. But you can see here, W breakout and now the retest. Location is not the best, but considering the fact that we took all the liquidity here, this level could hold. Could hold here, and we can, but don't chase. I said it yesterday, don't chase here in the top. It's never a good idea, people, to chase. Look at it. Yesterday everyone was bullish, now look at everything is red. Not too much. We get the idea that we need to consolidate, to retrace a little bit. People over exaggerated in the news like usual, but still not a good idea to chase. Well, now seeing the retracement, we can think about setups. In this case, we can look for this W here, and we can play that if we really want to play Ethereum. Could be a good level on the long run to play that 2200, yes. Okay, now let's look at Bitcoin dominance. 4-hour chart, let's stay on daily. First daily and then 4-hour chart. Hey Robert, hey Catalin. So, clear rejection, we discussed that. We kind of have here a range. This is a big yam. Neckline is here, people. We talked about yesterday. This is the neckline here. Close to 60% here. If we'll accept below this level, to be more clear, below 60%, then everything is validated. For the moment, we are playing around in the range. Last night was looking interesting because was trying to accept at 60, and I said, well, if we'll close, then we have a head and shoulder pattern, we have an EM, we have everything. But you can see, fake out and is back in the range. When we'll accept below this level, then we know that we can be more aggressive on altcoins. Also, if we'll bounce here in the short reload zone in this area, and then we'll do an EM. Again, we can think, well, from this moment we can be more aggressive on altcoins. Until then, we select the altcoins we want to play, the strong ones. That's a difficult thing to do, how to select them, but we are trying to do that. Technically, we find setups and we are making money here. That's why we are in Crypto Traders Arena, to make money. Not to, I don't know, be moon boys or to do other stuff. So, for the moment, it's still holding above 60%. Now, we rejected here, we rejected again here. At some point, we'll accept below 60%. When? Well, let's wait. We are here day in, day out. We'll find out. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Unfortunately, it's at the same trend line, staying there and tagging and hugging and kissing that trend line over and over again. You know already. I think everyone heard me saying, if we close above 003, then okay. If I'll see a daily W, then okay. If I'll see a weekly W, even better. Let's see. No weekly W, unfortunately. Not yet. Let's put daily back. Now, total market cap fighting 3 trillion here. Well, you can see. I said it yesterday, last night. I'm not saying that we are bullish again. I'm saying that we are still in this range and we are fighting $3 trillion. From 2.5 to 3 trillion is not easy, and you can see we are still fighting that level. We don't have a clear W, but at least we are back at the same level. Total 3, similar stuff. We are still fighting $1 trillion. How much time how much long will stay here? We don't know. Let's wait. Let the market tell us. We should focus on ranges. We should focus on setups and making money. Buy the dips on altcoins if we still have money. Selling half on a double, reloading. If you remember, someone asked me, well, how much time you'll you'll still sell half on a double until the market will never come back. Looks like the market doesn't want to come back to give me my sell half on a double. And people are asking then if I should sell or I should cancel the order. Never canceling the first order. No. I buy as low as possible. I'm selling half on a double to get my money back. And then after that I could hold as long as possible. But to get my money back as fast as market is giving me that opportunity. And then you can say, well, I'm aggressively protecting my capital. Okay, higher time frame altcoins, we talked about them. Huh? You can see here, W, breakout retest. I said don't chase. This is daily. I could put 4-hour chart for AVAX. Yeah, don't chase. You can see market is coming back down at least to retest this level. Wyckoff checking this level at this point. I don't know if it will give us more than that. Altcoins are oversold already. They need this desperately. They need a bounce. So I don't know if a thing like AVAX will give you more than what we had in the morning. $23. I don't know. And I could go back and look at all the altcoins we talked yesterday, but I don't think it's the case. Huh? Everything looks kind of similar. Higher time frame, all the bags are full. If you don't have a plan, if you are new here and you don't have a plan, you don't have altcoin exposure, well, we have the Road to Financial Freedom is free on Discord. If you want, we have last chance challenges for premium members, investment plans you can use, you can copy, you can adapt, you can take the spreadsheets. Yeah. Everyone focusing on lower time frame and focusing only on scalping is not the best idea, people. Max 5% of you are able to scalp and day trade. That's statistically. Everyone thinks, well, I'm that guy. Well, you're not. Not as many as you, as everyone can scalp. And you feel the emotions and you feel that is not okay, and you don't have peace when you're trading, and you don't live your life anymore. Well, zoom out, people. Zoom out. You don't need to be a day trader. I'm keep repeating that. You don't need to be a day trader to make money. You can be a swing trader. You can be a position trader. You don't want even that. Go on weekly and be an investor. Live your life. Go to your job. Come back home. You don't have to stay in front of the computer 12 hours a day like me, like Stefan, like other people. We love this kind of thing. Some people, they are not able to sit for months, even years, 12 hours a day in front of their computer. They don't want that. But you can still invest in altcoins here, and some strong ones, and can make some money. You can watch only weekly crypto review or come once half an hour every day just to look at what is new on the server. Why everyone wants to be a scalper? I don't get that. You don't know how to trade, you don't know how to invest, you don't know too many things about the market, but you want to trade on 5-minute chart. Good luck. And you are approaching us and you ask you why I'm not succeeding. Well, you don't have the process, you don't have the base, you don't have a foundation. Nothing I can do for you. You have to slow down and you have to take it step by step until you'll get to this level. Okay. We can look at all the altcoins here, but well, we did it too many times, people. Now let's go on lower time frame. For example, 1 hour Ethereum. I have the chart here. VIP, I don't know if I managed to post on premium, but VIP people got this idea for sure here. Looking back now, that was the level. No? Everyone was scared here. Everyone, well, I don't want to touch it. And we said, well, let's buy it. No? The problem, most of you, because there are 50 people on VIP, most of you they didn't trail here. They panic sold here, they sell at 1-to-1. They didn't trust the setup. They didn't trust the idea. Well, let's trail. It's a good level. Let's wait. Yeah? It's a lesson you should learn. Yeah? And you can see, I closed here. I make it break even here. I closed some here. I closed higher. Here in the highs last night, I closed everything before I got to sleep. I have to find a new setup because market wants to push higher, and I think I want a new long here. I'll wait for a proper setup. You can see this is empty space here. We can push back down here. Yeah, we can. But I'll hunt either with Holy Grail, either with the classic general setup. I'll take the low, the high, and then I'll wait in the long reload zone. We can play the market. I'm completely out. I don't know if I did a good thing, but look at this one, people. It's a 10R. I think it's more than enough. More than enough. I didn't book a net 10R here because I closed here, I closed here, I closed everything here. But overall, I made nice money. So imagine someone trying to scalp and making, I don't know, 25, 30 trades last week, and me taking this trade. Which one is more profitable? Just as an example, I took more trades last week, but not as many as usual. Okay. What we can do here? Well, this trade is done. We can even delete this one. We don't need it anymore. Something like this, people. Yeah, you can see 61.8. It's at the support. Nice confluences here. We can wait here if the market wants to give us. If you are thinking pump chasers on looking left, we have some support if you look left. Okay, wait for a W in the pump chaser zone. If you'll see a W, take the trade. Let's find the pump chaser. There you go. So if you'll see a W here, take it. 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart. You can see we are bouncing from 38.2. If the market is really strong, yeah, we can bounce from here. But I'm not a fan, I'll tell you again, I'm not a fan of taking trades at 38.2 fib. Not a fan. Usually that's the first stop and it's a lot of fuckeries there. Up and down, ugly. No. Even if this time will be different, I prefer to just leave it alone. Now, let's look at Bitcoin. We should start with Bitcoin, but okay. What we have here? Like I said, we are back in the range. Yeah, we are back above 90k. We are back in the range. I could see the market, I don't know, pushing down here. 90k, even pump chaser zone if will be the case. But let's be real. The news are so bullish that the market doesn't want to give anything back. Probably this week, if we'll not accept, I don't know, we'll not make 100k. We'll test this level once again and then we'll pump. We have an M top there. I'll take a short. No, if you manage to take an SFU or to take a trade here, like Manas did, okay. But here, no. Honestly, I don't want to short anything. I could scalp if I want, but I prefer to wait for long ideas. Just me. So for the moment, Holy Grail. It's Monday. Holy Grail will be the key for me. On 5-minute chart, let's see what we have. Well, we can see we don't have, not even on 5-minute chart. One. Yeah. I have to go on 1 minute to trade Bitcoin. Monday morning? No. So people, I'll wait to see what is developing. With Holy Grail, I could chase it all the way up. I could chase it at 95. I could chase it wherever I want. If I have an uptrend, I could play the market. I don't have to be too aggressive. Now, if I'll put the 4-hour chart, if you remember about Jupiter, for example. We had exactly the scenarios we talked about. Now we are doing the retest of the initial W. It's up to you. Maybe you want to go on lower time frame and wait for a new W and take a trade here. Who took the trade here? Really nice. Who took the trade here? Really nice. You should be risk free now. I don't suggest you to be too aggressive moving the stop loss up, but you get the idea. W, breakout, retest, another retest, and up. This is just a clear uptrend from now on, people. On this one. Could fail, of course. Everything could fail. We are talking market, we are talking crypto, but you can see. What defines an uptrend? Higher highs and higher lows. And we have that. And now we are retesting. We are retesting the support. The best area to enter if you are in an uptrend. Some people will panic here. Up to them. Okay. Let's see some questions. Let's see some requests if it's the case. Yeah, Apple. Day trading, scalping is not for everyone. Everyone wants to scalp, but scalping and day trading is not for everyone. Hit the like button if you want. I see 40 people here and 20 likes. If you want to help us out, watch repost the tweet here. Yeah, we have this tweet. You can repost this one. That will help us to reach more people. Honestly, I have impression that I'm shadow banned on. We are shadow banned on Twitter because you get the idea. I don't know why, but looks like. Let's see what Jade is saying. Cotty, what time frame, Jade? You should know already. Well, I will start with daily. Well, you have a W. You have a W here on daily. So if you are a position trader, okay, you can take that W. If you want to be more patient, and you can wait for a W the other side of this this trend line. I could see it going sideways. By the way, people, with Trump saying that we'll make a reserve, they just moved the money from slowly from Bitcoin to big caps, because I don't think Trump will put in the reserves Scotty. Yeah, we'll pump also, but take it step by step. You know the drill. From Bitcoin to how big caps, from big caps to medium caps, and so on. Well, as a trader, Jade, no. As a position trader, you can take this level, but no, I'll wait for retracement back down here. Okay. If it's starting to start an uptrend, this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this attempts to be a higher high. Even if I want to trade this one, I'll wait here in this area. It looks like I'm chasing. If I put 4-hour chart, you'll see it even better. Okay, looks like I'm chasing here. So this will be my entry. This will be the area where I want to play around. If you don't know how to do that, well, you can play this one. Let's do a long reload zone. So this is the area, Jade, where I want to try to enter on Kotick. Let's see. ENA, I think we talked about ENA too many times, Jade, but let's do it once more. Well, at least you have a good location. You have a daily W, breakout and retest. It's going sideways here at 78.6. But you can attempt a long here. You have the W, probably with some bullish divergence. Yeah, we have something. So on daily, not lower time frame, on daily, this is a setup. Could fail? Of course it can. We're talking crypto. But you get the idea. Because Ethereum is lagging, because Ethereum is weak, and looks the same. Okay? Rune. Let's take a look at Rune. Well, nice location for dollar cost averaging. I don't see anything special here. I don't see not even a daily W. If you are dollar cost average or dollar cost averaging, okay. If not, wait for a W the other side of this trend line. Will take some time. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I don't know. But a W the other side of this clear, look at it, clear EM is the best. No, Vance, I'm not tired. It's Monday morning. My nose is a bit, is making me some troubles, but no. Why I should be tired? Maybe sleepy a little bit after a long weekend. Okay. Let's take a look at Griffin 4-hour chart. Well, like already Bochan told us, on 4-hour chart you have a daily 4-hour W here. It's at the neckline. It's there. You want to take it as a trade? If you said 4-hour chart, I'm assuming you want a trade. Well, if you want a trade, then that's the entry. There you go. So you have the entry here. Where you should take your take profit? Well, if you zoom out, you will see we have a long road to the initial EM here. We can pump all the way up there? Yes. We can go even lower? Also yes. We can fail this trade and we can go lower. We are buyers here. Me, Bochan and other people. If we'll fail, well, the position is not so big. We don't care. Well, Bochan said yesterday he's adding at this level. I think it's a good idea. But it's up to everyone how you frame the trade and how you manage risk here. Because you don't want to lose tons of money if this one will fail. You don't want to lose too much money if this one will go to zero, for example. It's just a shitcoin. Well, so if you know and you have a strategy how to manage risk, yeah, I could see that W, I could see a good location overall, I could see this one pumping back up. But risk first approach tells us that we should take care of the risk part. So what will happen if we'll fail, how much money I'll lose, I'll still be in a good position, and then to think about greediness. Well, if we'll pump here, I'll make tons of money. Yeah. Well, if you have a spot bag, you can trade a setup on spot, Menace. You can trade it on spot. You don't need leverage. You can calculate the position size. If you have enough money, you take that position size. If the market accepts below this level, you get the fuck out, and that's it. You don't need to be on Binance to trade a setup. TIA? Well, let's look at TIA. Yeah, TIA, it's an interesting one. Let's look at TIA. TIA. On daily, yeah, it's coming back home here, but like I said, on other altcoins, it's already in an uptrend, people. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And now this is behaving like support. It's a buying opportunity. You can frame a setup. Wait for a W. One daily looks acceptable. 4-hour chart. For our chart, I think 3.5 is key here. Let's see if we'll hold. 1 hour chart, look for W's. Now you can see, when we started with a W. When we started with a W on 1 hour. When we started with a W. W. Loves. If the market loves the W, we love the W also. So, close to 3.5 or maybe even lower if we'll get lucky. Wait for a W and play the W, Catalin. Yeah? So, not on 4-hour chart. You can look at the market on 4-hour chart, but hunt W's on 1 hour. If you see a W on 1 hour, you can take it. To frame a setup. If you are an investor, just forget about it. Sell half on a W if will be the case, and that's it. Yeah. We can draw a long relosome all the way up from this area to the last level, yes. And you can see where 61.8 is. A lot of confluences here. You can see green. Will happen? Will touch $3 again? Well, that will be a nice thing to happen. Why not? For the moment, for a lower time frame, 1 hour, well, this is the W. This is the area you want, well, because you have steps here. Well, I'll show you. You take the last high, take the previous low, and you can see we touched 61.8 and we bounce. Now we are doing the same thing from this low to this high, back in 61.8. If you'll see something here, you can take a trade. I don't know if 1 hour, maybe lower. Hunt a W there in that area. But you get the idea. Yeah. Bucur wants $3 again. Well, maybe. Why not? Why not? For the moment, I see the start of a uptrend. We can come back down. Well, depending. It's possible. I'll do anything with my bags now. If we'll accept below $3, then I'll start dollar cost averaging again and I'll buy more. But until then, I'll just leave it alone. If I'll see a nice trade, I'll trade it on Binance. Why not? Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. I missed anything? Yeah, 3.2 looks nice, but level by level, Catalin. People, slow and steady. Slow and steady market is here every day. At least you have to understand that. You are the problem. You have to be the guy that is capable of taking advantage of the opportunities, not the market. Yeah? So, please at least acknowledge that. You are the problem. You are the solution, not the market. The market is doing what the market is doing with or without you. If you are capable of taking advantage, okay. If you are not capable, well, you'll donate the money to the market. You want to see how Stefan is trading on VIP? Feel free to join there. Yeah? Like I said, we don't accept beginners there. We have premium. If you want to stay with us in the New York session and learn from me and stay with us and see setups and see us how we manage ourselves in the market, well, join premium. It's pretty fucking cheap. Less than a coffee a day. We are here to help. If you are a general member and you don't have, not even for premium, or you don't want to go too deep, ask on general chat. You'll see, people will answer you. But understand that without a plan, without a process, without clear setups, you don't stand a chance in this market. It's not possible to reach 2, 3, 5% in a trade and call yourself a trader. You're a gambler. Some people even more than that, 10% in a trade. You are dead from the start. You don't stand one chance. Until you learn that, nobody could help you. First, you have to understand what is wrong. And then to think about, well, let's do something better. Let's change something. I see a lot of people struggling, even in Crypto Traders Arena, struggling. Well, I'm not able to make money. Well, maybe you should change the approach. Maybe you should try our boring way to trade, to make money. Lurus says DOT. Let's take DOT because I didn't look at DOT from a long time. I'll look at now. I'll start with weekly. I'll go on daily 4 hour and then I'll close the live stream. Okay. Nice location on weekly. And you can see here, I said this scenario, up and down and retest, and that will be it. If you are an investor, good level to dollar cost average and slowly enter. Daily chart. Ooh, what I did here. Sorry, three people. Nice location, nice W, daily W. So, if you want a trade, I consider this a range, but if you want a trade now, you can play the trade now. Look at it. It's there, people. Either you put the stop loss here, either you put the stop loss there. Up to you. Don't put it here. So here or lower. I could see a setup here. Or you can wait for this entire range to resolve itself, pushing higher, back down, and that will be your entry. It's up to you. It's looking like it's trying to form a bottom. Could take months until we'll form the bottom? Yes. Could go sideways here? Yes. I recommend the leverage here? No. Spot only. Even if you take a setup, spot. So you can hold for a long period of time. Okay? So even on 4 hour chart, if we'll put 4 hour chart, similar. 4 hour chart, you can even think about this W here. And you can think like an AB equals CD setup. It's a bit deeper, but anyway, retest of this W could be a good entry. If you want daily, this is a good entry already. I hope that helps, Lulus. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. I'll go and trade with VIP people and Stefan. If you want to join VIP, I don't know, DM Stefan. He should know how many places are still available. Okay? If you want premium, DM me and I'll offer you a place on premium. Yeah. See you in the New York session if you are a premium. See you tomorrow. We have the live stream. Tomorrow Stefan will live stream for public. Day trading with Stefan. And in the rest, we usually respect the program we have. Everyday daily crypto plan. And all we do day in, day out. See you guys. I need to go and frame some setups. Bye bye.